Welcome to the Texas Heart Institute Library and Learning Resource Center tutorial on adding and playing videos in PowerPoint. There are two different ways to quickly add videos, and the first is to start with a placeholder slide. When you add a new slide, you have options to add different layouts, and some of the layouts have built-in placeholders, such as this one, title and content, that we're using here. You can see in the content area, you can add text, but you can also add images, charts, tables, and other items. We're going to click on Insert Video to insert our video. Here are videos with three typical file types, and you'll see the MPEG and MP4, which are common across platforms, and WMV, which is common in Windows. All of these will work in PowerPoint. You can see here under Windows, it will accept MP4, MPEG, WMV, and then there's some additional file types that require that you're using a computer that has appropriate software also in it. And the MP4 also requires that you're using a later version of PowerPoint. So the safest video type to use is the MPG. And we'll see also under Mac OS that MPG will also work on your Mac computer. So if you're not sure what kind of computer you're going to be presenting on, this is the safest file type to use. It has the most cross-compatibility. It's also slightly compressed, so it'll keep your file from getting quite as large. But you can see Apple also accepts the QuickTime movie format, as well as the MP4 and other ones. So it's important to think about that before you export your video as well. We're going to use this first video, .mpeg. Insert. It will take a little while sometimes depending on the file size, so you just wait for that to happen. And here is our video. You'll see it pastes in, selected with the handles. If you hold down your control key, you will keep the center where it is, and you can change the size without moving the centering of your video. If you are selected in the video, you'll notice that you get two tabs here, one for video format and one for playback. If you're clicked off of the video, those tabs go away. So I'll click again on the video, and I'm going to select the playback tab to show the playback options. You have your video playback options that allow you to play it in click sequence, which means that next time you click, the video will start, or to start automatically when you open up that slide, or to play only when you click on the video. So if you're presenting, you need to bring your mouse onto the video and then click. We're going to choose automatically for this video, and I'm going to also loop it until stop because it's a short looped video. You can do some simple trim and fade things here, but I would recommend doing that before you export your MPG or other video file format. It's better to do it before you export. And if I hit play, you'll see the video plays and then it loops. The other way to insert the video is from the Insert tab. You'll see all these other content types. Video is over here under Media, and you can insert a link to an online video or a video file. The online video requires that you have a good internet connection while you do your presentation. It's probably safer to use the video straight. So I'm going to go ahead and select this video to the WMV format and insert. And again, you can move it, change the size, just like you could any other object. This video, I'm going to make this one have to click on it to start it, I'm also going to loop it. And I can use these controls here to preview my video as well as the play in that top left. So here I can play the video, pick a location in the video that I think is interesting, so that when I go to this slide, I can see this image. If I click here on video format, it's called poster frame up here in the left. And I can select this image, current frame, to be the one that will show when I get to this slide. So if I start my slide presentation, you will see that I'm going to click, and here's my video playing automatically. I didn't have to click twice, I just clicked once, and it is looping. I click again, it goes to the next slide, and it's waiting for me with that screenshot that we chose to be the still image. I click, and then here it goes, it's playing as a loop. So that's the basic ways to enter the videos and have them play back. Under File, there are a couple of options under Info that are useful if you're going to be presenting somewhere that's not your computer or having to share this file with somebody else. If you've used a format that isn't cross-compatible, cross-platform compatible, you'll have this message, and you can click on Optimize Compatibility, and you can see that WMV file, the video 2, is the one that's getting converted. So it's converted to make it more compatible with other, across platform compatible. And that option will go away if you don't have any videos that are in those alternate formats. Here you can also click to compress your media. So if you put in an HD video, you can downgrade it to a standard video to save some space when you're emailing your video, or save just a little bit of space. I'll click here, but you'll see now that on these particular two short, kind of small videos, it doesn't make any difference in the size, but with larger videos it will. So I hope you get an idea for how to insert videos into your PowerPoint. Please come back for more videos, and you'll see linked below some of our other programming. Thank you.